Hello everyone, welcome to JCI Scholarship Aptitude Test 2026. Today I will be introducing you to the OMR sheet, how you can fill this OMR sheet. This is your OMR sheet. When you will give the exam, you will get the sheet. How you can fill the sheet? Let's understand some basic guidelines of the test, which is this test will be of 1 hour, 60 minutes of test. Each question will be holding 4 marks and in total it will be of 160 marks test. There is no negative marking, so you don't have to scare. So you don't have to do any rough work in the main sheet. If you want to do any rough work, use the separate sheet for that. Now you have to understand how you can answer, how you can give your answer. So there is, if you did any cross on the circle, which is incorrect answer. If you did any dot on the circle, which is also incorrect. If you did any cross on the circle, which is also incorrect. And if you did any right mark on the circle, which is also incorrect. The only correct answer which will get you marks is this. You only have to do the darker the circle. You only have to darker the circle for the right answer. Let's understand how you can fill this OMR sheet. So first is you have to write your school name. Suppose your school name is MPS. You have to give a space, you have to leave one block and then write school. You only have to use bold letters, don't use small letters in the sheet. You only have to use bold letters. Then second, they are asking about your email address. If you don't have your email address, you can write your parents' email address. Your email address, suppose, is abc141@.com. Then they're asking your city. Suppose your city name is Jaipur. Then another thing is you have to write your class. So if you're in class 8th, you have to circle in front of class 8th. Suppose you are a student of class 12th, you have to circle in front of class 12th. Then the other is your name. Now how you can fill your name is, let's suppose your name is ABC. Now if you have a surname, just leave one block and write your surname here is PQR. Now you have to find your letter in the below list and circle that letter. Here your name starts from A, so I have to circle first row with letter A. Here you have write B, then you have to find in the same line letter B. Here you wrote C, then you have to circle C. Likewise, the same for the surname. Here you have to find P, then Q, and then R. You have to circle that darker. Then your zone. You will get to know what is your zone. Suppose your zone is 05. 05. Again, you have to find where is 0. Here, you have to circle 0 and then 5. Now, here you don't have to write your school roll number. This is the roll number of yours. So you have to write your roll number here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will find your roll number above on the sheet only. Again, you have to circle the number below. Okay, and then your student mobile number. If you don't have your mobile number, you can use your parents or your guardian's mobile number. Suppose your number is 943210561. Again, you have to do the same method here. You have to find 9 here, then 4, then 3, then 2, 1. Likewise, you have to fill the below line, the below circles. Let's understand how you have to give answers. So there are 40 questions. You have to read the question and answer the questions. Suppose you read the question 1 and its answer was D. So you have to circle option D here, which is given here. You read question number 2 and the answer was question number 2's answer was B. You read question number 3 and the answer was C. So likewise, you have to answer all the questions here and circle the options in front of the question number. Then you have, after completing the test, then you have to do the signature. Here you have to do your signature, and here any person in your class, present respected person, will do the signature. So what is the use of this slip is, you have to tear the slip from the given line. Here we gave you the line, you have to tear the slip and keep it with you. While declaring the results, you can see your roll number here on the slip, which was the same given above. So you have to check your roll number, put your roll number on the website, and you will get your result. Here you have to write your school name, and then roll number is already presented on the slip. Take this to your home and you can check your result when result will get declared. So thank you so much and all the best for your Jcsat exams.